Hello and welcome back to Arduino projects. My name is Hermo and I will be substituting for Farid today because he is not around. Now in this video, we will be creating a DIY home security alarm with text message. And these are the materials that we will be needing in this project. First, we will be needing an Arduino board to store our codes. Second, we will be using a GSM shield to send text message. Now in this video, we use a GSM Shield CM900, but you can also use other version of GSM Shields. Third, we will be using a PIR motion sensor to detect the motion around it. Fourth, we will be using a real-time clock DS3231 to determine the time when the motion was detected. We will be using a SIM card, a buzzer, a power supply, a breadboard, and some wires. Now please take note that GSM Shield has some specifications to make it work, so research for its datasheets. Now this is the setup that we are going to be using for this project. As you can see, the PIR motion sensor is located at the top of this door here. Now if someone entered into this house, let's assume this is a house, the motion sensor will detect the motion of this person, and after the motion sensor detects the motion, the signal will be sent into this Arduino board, and after that the Arduino board will send the signal to the GSM Shield. After the GSM Shield receives the signal, the GSM Shield will be ready to send the message to the owner saying that someone entered into their house. Now for demonstration purposes, I have a friend here whose name is Jimmy, right here, and he will try to enter into this house, and let's see what's gonna happen to this project. Now the PIR motion sensor detects the motion, and then GSM Shield will send a message after that. Now let's see if the GSM Shield will send a message. Here you go. One new message, security. It says 7:21 p.m. and now let's open it. Alert motion detected at 19:07 3/10/2020. So that's how this project works. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any suggestions or questions, comment it down below. That's it for this video. See you on the next video. Thank you again and have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.